In my first briefing to the press that day, I noted that while there was no cause for alarm, we would remain alert. I stated that I had spent virtually all of the past 36 hours trying to separate fact from fiction about the situation. And I closed in noting that I felt we had succeeded on the more important questions, although I privately suspected that the latter was a bit of an exaggeration. I was followed by one of the experts from the NRC, a staff member who declared to my utter astonishment that the danger is over, a comment definitely not in the script. I learned later that night from another on-site expert who privately disagreed with this assessment and told us that water samples indicated that core damage is very bad. Thus, Thursday, day 2, ended on a somewhat edgy note, but it was a mere prelude to a Friday that I will never forget.